G'day, my name's Josh. I'm the third generation owner of SLAT-CO, which is our family owned and operated business that specialises in supplying aluminium fencing, gates, screening and other types of products in the industry. So in today's video, I wanted to give you a rundown on the finished types of products that we can supply you. So the first one is full length supply. So we can supply you with full length of slat, gate frame, channels, posts, everything you need to complete the project. Most of them come in 6.5 metre lengths and they can all be cut down on site for you to assemble and install. The main benefit of full lengths of materials is the cost saving. So if you're willing to cut everything down yourself, you're pretty handy on the tools. You can certainly save a heap of money when it comes to getting a qualified trader to come out and do it for you. The main thing with cutting it on site yourself is having the appropriate saw. So any sort of drop saw, miter saw will be okay, but you're going to need to swap it out with an aluminium specific cutting blade. These are fairly inexpensive. You can get them from most tool or hardware stores. Same with the drop saw here. This one behind me is very budget, only a couple $100, and I'll show you once you change out that blade how nicely it'll cut the material. Safety first, as always. So as you can see, with the appropriate blade on there, it cuts no problem at all. So yeah, that's pretty much our full length supply option. You're welcome to order straight off the website. Otherwise, if you're unsure on what to order, simply get in contact, provide your dimensions, details, and one of our staff will get a quote done up with a full list of products and hardware that we think you'll need for the project. Now, the next option, if you're not as comfortable cutting to size on site yourself, or you're more time poor, or you don't have the appropriate equipment, then we do have a pre-cut to size option. So I'll give you an example here. We pretty much pre-cut all the materials, bundle it up, label it so you know what area or what section of the job it corresponds to. And all you have to do is get to site, unpack your bundle and start the install straight away. So it takes a lot of the time out of it for you. Obviously it does cost a little more than full length of material, but again, we get it all cut to size. You just provide your dimensions and we take on all the responsibility of determining the right length that all the material has to be cut to. So it's a great option for those, in between. You still want to do a fair bit of the project yourself, but you may be a little time poor or not as confident on the tools. So yeah, that's something worth considering. Again, if you want a quote, simply get in contact with us, provide your details, and one of our staff will get the job priced up for you. Now, lastly, we can offer fully manufactured products. So whether that be gates, panels, screening, all can be done fully manufactured in all of our styles. So I'll give you an example here. This here is one of our fully manufactured horizontal slat gates, but can be done in all of our other styles as well. So the main benefit here is if you're time poor, you want a more bespoke finish. If you're not as confident on the tools, having it pre-manufactured could be the right option for you. As you can see here, just as an example with our gates, when you go for a fully manufactured option, you do get a welded aluminium frame. Whereas if you went for our full length of materials or flat pack pre-cut kit, your gate frame would be screwed together. Obviously, the main downside with getting it pre-manufactured like this is you do pay a bit more. So it's really up to you making that trade-off, what option, what finish type you think will best suit you. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, get in contact with us with your details and we can work out a quote and work out the exact sizes that you'll need for the project. An extra thing I should note if you're one of our regional or interstate customers is when you select your finish type, it may be worth considering the freight aspect of it. So if you go for full lengths of material or flat pack kits, they're quite easy to freight. They're compact and there's a low chance of damage in transit. It's not to say we can't freight manufactured products, because we do quite often. It's just worth considering when you're selecting the finish type to go for. So yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. If you had any more questions, feel free to reach out. And yeah, thanks for watching the video. Cheers.